What's going on? Nothing? Okay, well something's going on because we just got called.
Okay, am I doing this?
Huh?
Please not mess with me. Please don't mess with me.
Well, we're going to talk to you. We're going to talk.
Okay, can I stand
you're
over
not
here,
going
please,
to walk
miss?
away. No, you're going to stand right here.
What's the problem?
Cool. You're going to go over there?
Why do you think we're here?
What was I doing when I was cleaning up?
What happened earlier?
Was I doing anything when I was cleaning up? I didn't call you.
I don't know.
You didn't. You. That's how you supposed to approach a person. Hi. You called me. I didn't call you guys.
We got a call about you. So
I didn't call you guys.
Okay.
Can I finish cleaning up?
No, not yet.
Can I finish cleaning up the store, please?
No.
Why not, ma'am? Because that's what I was doing before you guys came here. Yes, ma'am.
And after we leave, you can finish.
Well, I don't want to talk to you guys. I don't have nothing to say. I'm
Okay,
cleaning
well, you're
up.
not free to leave.
I have no reason to talk to you.
Okay. Well, that's fine. Then don't say anything.
I don't have no reason to be
What?
talking to you guys.
Hang on. Okay, no, cool. We'll make this easier.
No.
Nope. Yep. Absolutely. All right. Do not stop. Stop. Get tased. Stop. Don't move.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
Let go.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Put the hands down.
Stop.
Let me go.
Okay.
Stop. I'm gonna get no ass. I'm gonna get this hole. Look at you, scary ass.
Stop.
Hey,
I'm gonna spray it.
hey,
Watch your face.
Chill. She been to the third.
No,
Chill.
that's that. No, they cannot do me like this. No, hold on. You see this? You see this?
Stop resisting. Stop
See the
resisting.
key.
Back up.
It's all good.
Why the fuck you do that key?
Back up.
It's all good.
Back up.
It's all good.
I'm telling y'all she mentally disturbed. Why would
Stop
y'all-
resisting us.
Why would y'all do that? I'm telling y'all she mentally disturbed.
Y'all need better training than that.
Because when y'all doing mentally disturbed, y'all know y'all won't do that.
Not that hard.
Stand up.
Stop.
That's wrong for that.
Stand up. Y'all people is troll, bro. No. And y'all let this shit go on around all of y'all, bro. Because I'm not supposed to be arrested right now. Yeah, you are. I didn't do nothing. Yeah, you did. What I did? What? Huh? That's 13 or 15 out here. What did I do? Can you go get my hat? Stop. Okay. Just chill out. That damn chill is and I was being calm. Hold on.